Washington state is currently experiencing multiple 911 outages in different parts of the state, resulting in citizens receiving a busy signal. If this occurs during an emergency, please contact the local non-emergency number for your area.
This is KGW Channel 9 News. Breaking news.
Breaking news to report. 911 outage in Clark County and most of Washington state resulted in a push alert to startled Oregonians. The Clark Regional Emergency Services Agency alert, sent out late Thursday, was cryptic to those outside Washington state. CRESA announced at 7:45 Friday morning that 911 service has been restored. KGW viewers in Multnomah, Washington, Clackamas and Columbia counties said they received the unexpected alert between 11 p.m. and midnight. The alerts were sent to cell phone users as far east as the Dalles, and as far south as Salem. One KGW reporter said that her work cell phone, based in Oregon, received the alert. Her personal cell phone with a Washington area code and all alerts were enabled. So far she got nothing. The message prompted the Lake Oswego Police Department in Clackamas County to quickly send out a cautionary notification that the Clark County alert did not affect residents in that city. CRESA issued the following statement Friday morning. Around 80% of our calls come into mobile devices. We had reports from first responders in the field that individuals were unaware and did not know how to reach 911. After pushing the information to all other methods, we chose to send the message through the emergency alert system and wireless emergency alerts to ensure everyone was aware of the outage. Those systems allow us to hit everyone at one time, because of the shared media market with the Portland metro region, where everyone got these notifications. While we can somewhat tailor the range of these alerts, due to our close proximity to Oregon, there was some bleed over into that area. Clark Regional Emergency Services Agency announced the outage a little after 8:30 p.m., after some residents were not able to reach the center. In Cowlitz County, residents were not able to reach 911 at all. Instead, they were advised to use their local non-emergency number. The nationwide outage began early in the day, but by late Thursday night, the company tweeted that its engineers had identified a network element that was affecting services and expected to fully restore services within hours. The Federal Communications Commission announced it was a nationwide outage, and the agency is investigating the source of the outage to determine whether if it was a computer error, a fiber optic wire cut, or an extremely rare case of a deliberate cyber attack originating outside the United States. Monroe, Louisiana-based CenturyLink did not provide details of the problem, and it did not indicate how many customers were affected. Likely the reason behind information withhold regarding this incident is vital to national security. Customers from New York to California have reported similar outages affecting their communities as well. But so far Oregon is not affected. We will be back again at noon with a follow-up regarding this incident as part of our today's top stories. This is KGW News reporting in Portland, Oregon.